So we left politics and left government in the hands of criminals. Criminals are controlling us even from the village. Evil men, criminals will get all the money and they take chieftaincy titles and they take whatever and they walk like colossus in our communities, and you bow and tremble before them because you worship money more than God. Well, we want to reorientate your mind. We must occupy. He said, occupy till I come. We must take control. He said we must be head and not tail. We must rule. The Bible says when the righteous are in authority, the people rejoice. But when wicked men bear rule, the people groan and mourn and agonize in sorrow. And that's what is happening. Righteous people, God-fearing people have left government, left politics, left governance, left out of administration, and evil men have taken over. And it's difficult to recover the lost grounds.